kind of has to be part of a team to construct an entire custom car body out of aluminum. And it's a group of about 20 people, very high skilled craftsmen, engineers, designers, artists that have come together to design this thing, put it all back together.
I just remember he says, Bill, I've got something I want to talk to you about. And I said, okay, Mark, what do we got? I have this opportunity to go out, participate in this big custom car build, and it took me all of about 10 seconds to realize what he was talking about. He showed me a few quick pictures, and I just said, we'll do whatever we have to do to get you involved in that. Dean O'Connor's got to see this.
We have so many faculty that are leaders in their field, and I think it's important to showcase what they do. And I think that sometimes there's a barrier for when you're in the classroom and you're doing the work to what that looks like afterwards. This is another avenue for them to see what one of their professors is doing. And like I said, it's just a collaborative approach to something that is real.
So the car is it's an actual Hot Wheels car. So in conjunction with the Hot Wheels design, it's kind of a stretched out custom Art Deco 30s Cadillac Fleetwood. So it's 19 foot long. You know, the whole idea with this deal is we're taking old world skills, craftsmanship, high level craftsmanship, and we're combining it with this new cutting technology that it just isn't even on the market yet to shape metal.
So as soon as Mark saw this, he knew that he wanted Ferris to be a part of it. He knew that it would fit right in with what our mission is, and that is, we believe that everybody deserves an education. We believe that engineering technology is who we are and what we do. This application that he did took that data and directly applied it to, I'm going to make something.
It's been a long time I've been teaching, a little over 2 decades, and it's really cool to have the place of employment backing this sort of thing. It's a cutting edge deal, it's kind of out of the box thinking, but it's to have Ferris there and sponsor the event and just be behind me, it's real cool. I'm glad to represent them.
And so when you actually see that the person that you're taking the class from doing it and making and creating, and then they're teaching you to do it, it just makes such sense.